the birds of paradise. This group of 39 different species are defined by their outlandish looks, an eclectic mix of fantastic colors, feathers, and bizarre behaviors. With no tree-hogging primates on the island, birds here have had exclusive access to the forest's canopy. Over the years, it's become their stage. The iridescent chest of a male magnificent riflebird is the only indication of something unusual about this otherwise ordinary songbird. But the presence of a female stirs him into action. And he shows off one of the most bizarre and extravagant mating rituals on Earth. This choreography has been thousands of years in the making, passed down through the generations. And he's been rehearsing with other males since he was a juvenile. Even his perch has been specifically chosen for the best light. His performance is calculated and exact. And it seems to be working. The female's appearance is much less impressive. She mirrors his posture before he can complete the final part of the routine. Despite his best efforts, it's still not up to scratch. For the female, this riflebird is not magnificent enough. Some dancers will never win over the ladies. With very few predators on the island, the only driving force in the evolution of the species has been entirely down to what pleases a female audience. He'll keep on practicing in the hope that eventually he'll find a mate.